Right, okay, we're at Haydock Supper Bar in Haydock, and this was suggested to me as cheap. What you see here is £11 I've spent. I went overboard with the bread roll, or buttered barm, or bread cake, or bap, or whatever you want to call it, burger bun. So what we've got here is we've got £3.95 fish and chips. Now my wife's got one. That's fish, chips and peas for £3.95, I should say. Well, you see in one of my recent videos where it was £16 for fish chips. Well, just fish and chips actually. And this is, I'm only down the road here. And we have a hot bag to keep things nice and warm. Let me move this out of the way. Look at this crazy thing. This was a foot long, well it is, a foot long baguette. This is all in the 2 fish and chips, peas, and this, 11 quid, a broken one, they said. So they threw that in as well. Otherwise it would have basically been that, which is great anyway. And onions. I don't normally get freebies because, or little extras like that, because I review incognito, as you know. Now, unless I was reviewing where they knew I was reviewing, then I could probably expect a few little bonuses. But let me try the sausage. That's your typical tasty chippy sausage. Hang on a minute. Let me get stuck into this fish, chips and peas for £3.95. Sure, it's not a massive portion, but look at it. It looks nice. It did say OAP on the notice for the special. We're in our 60s. So they said, well, you know, we've got that up there, but you can have it. Anyone can have it. So, okay, it's a small chips. Not that small, actually. And a small fish. We check out these mushy peas. Okay, they're nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put that fish on there. I'm going to put some chips on there. I'm going to put some peas on there. I want to get stuck into this giant hot dog, if you like. I mean, it's not a hot dog. It's not like a steamed sausage. You know what it's got? It's got that fairground smell. You know the smell I mean. The onions and the sausage and the bread, like toasty. You know, it's an unmistakable smell. That's what I'm smelling. I'm going to have a bite of this with the onions. Can't believe I got all this for 11 quid. So it's back to the computer, where I look at some reviews as usual. A low one, somewhere in the middle, a high one, and I like mine. So let's have a look at some reviews. 1 star. Can't share my thoughts on the food as they only take cash, and I only had my card on me. But why do they only take cash? It's up to them. You'll find a lot of businesses that will only take cash. I don't think it's dead, and I don't think it should be dead. I think cash is it's a slice of freedom for a lot of people. They like to use cash. They don't want everything registered. And the same with businesses. It's up to them if they want to use cash. Overall, a lot of places would offer cash or card. And that's not always the case. I do understand that. So check out all of these places before you actually visit. Check out my reviews if there's one there to see whether I've actually stated whether it's cash only or cash or card only, which I've actually had up to now. 3 star. Chips tepid, no taste, fish okay, wouldn't recommend. 5 star. Had the best fish and chips last night. It was absolutely spot on. The curry, gravy and peas were delicious. Couldn't fault, highly recommended. Mine, 4 star. I'd heard about the affordability of Haydock Supper Bar, so I decided to see for myself and paid them a visit. Sure enough, the prices were impressively low compared to what I'm used to. The shop was clean and tidy and the staff were lovely and friendly. A real credit to the business. The food was enjoyable with a small fish, chips, mushy peas for just £3.95. An incredible deal, though I'm not sure if it's a regular offer or a temporary one. I also tried a footlong sausage baguette with fried onions, which was delicious. Cooking in oil, hygiene rating 5, cash only, fish reviewed, cod. If you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell, and if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.